Hey guys, we've just arrived at Agadir Airport in Morocco and we're just trying out the tea here in a beautiful lounge they got here. We're going to be trying out this new app which is called Indrive, and I didn't know about it, but my friend here knew about it, so we're going to ask some details. It's very good facility for the guys that are coming to Morocco to use.
It's a very nice airport, not big as Birmingham, but it's very, you can say, not too busy, which is good.
Compared to Marrakech.
Yeah, when you arrive, you want a bit of like calmness. Some airports are chaotic, and it's not very pleasant, especially at a long flight, a short flight. Anyways, we just want to help you guys out. When you land here, get your luggage and you exit. Black cab type of taxis. They're like yellow and white.
Yes, there's 3 or 4 options you can use to use a taxi from here, from Agadir to Marrakech, or even to Agadir town city itself. There's a bus, there's a couple of taxi options on there.
We can say the shuttle buses.
Which are about, from here to Marrakech you get for £7. We asked a couple of taxis that were outside and they were giving us a price of 1200 dirhams from Agadir airport to Marrakech in the Medina. Anyway, Marrakech, that was the asking price. So my friend here is downloading an app which is becoming quite popular here now, which is called Indrive, isn't it?
Indrive, yes. If I'll show you
what do we know about Indrive?
Indrive so let me just open the app, Indrive app. So you open it and it should load up to this screen. It's recommended by a lot of people who've been here previously. Someone charges £1,200 to go Marrakech. It's the government taxis. But these guys, you can get it up to 500 dirhams,
which is equivalent to about 40.
Let's say up to
between 40-45.
Yeah.
Instead of 500 dirhams, which works out to about £100, you're getting this for variable prices, so it's not a fixed price. And Imran here will show you how that is possible.
First option says ride, that's within the city. So Agadir, you use a ride option, and if you want to go outside of Agadir to Marrakech or Casablanca, you click on city to city option, and then so we're at Agadir. I'll put in
Marrakech.
So you put in Marrakech. So they're suggesting 496 dirhams.
Recommended fare.
But with this beauty is, it's a bit different to Uber. You put an offer price and the driver counter offers or he will accept it.
You do like a demonstration.
Yeah. So their recommended price is 496. So you can book in advance. So you can have your for tomorrow. If you need to go anywhere, like just say you're in Marrakech now and you want to go back to Agadir, you can book it. They will confirm the ride with you. It's a good thing. In some places it's hard to find a taxi. And another thing, in each area, district, they got their own government taxis, like yellow color, orange color, white color, and they can't cross the districts. They have like borders basically. They cannot go. Hence why this is the one goes to city, which is best. Indrive is best for that use. If I click in when, just say tomorrow. I want to do for tomorrow, okay? Press next, and just say I'm arriving. By the time I get out of here, it's like 9 o'clock. I press done. I'm gonna put a offer.
What about passengers? Just do an average of 2.
You can do 1 to 2 to 3 because the price does reflect on how many people you are. But the more people you are in a vehicle of 4, cheaper. If it's one person, it slightly works a bit more, but. You can always play around with the.
Let's do a 2 persons indication.
So if you're done, I know it says 496, but what I'm going to do is.
It's going to offer your fare option.
Okay, so that's the screen will come and say offer your fare 496. So you can play about with that. For example,
say 350.
I'm going to say 400. Okay.
So which is equivalent to about £35, 30 quid or something. 35.
So find driver. Now it's gonna scan.
Searching for drivers.
Yep. You don't have to accept the very first fare that comes. Just wait for the offers, because obviously if you're booking in advance, you don't need to really accept the first one. Just carry on doing it all day, or just wait for it. But if you need a taxi straight away, then obviously you'll have to go for the.
Okay, so we got something come up here. 2 of them.
So they've offered 900. That's the first offer. So we're going to decline that because we know it doesn't cost that much. So we'll decline that.
That was the driver offer. He said that I'll take you for 900.
900, yeah. So it's like a bidding system.
So if we wait here, and we've tried this, like I said, several times already in Morocco, and within like 20 minutes you'll have about 5 or 6 fares come up. and there'll be some higher, and there won't be any lower. There'll be some higher fares or matching fares, and then you can look at the driver's rating on here, how many reviews he's had, and then you can choose your whatever makes you feel comfortable with that.
So you guys got an idea what the job car looks like. Except the one you think is within your reasonable budget.
Yes.
Okay. And then once you accept the job, the driver will make contact with you and confirm everything and welcome you and basically have a temporary rapport with yourselves.
And I'm going to be honest with you guys. We used this in Agadir 4 or 5 times. Within 2 minutes, guys, within 2, 3, 4 minutes, they were with us. And there's tracking on there. You can see where your car is. You know, once you've accepted the job, live feed starts on screen.
Like Uber, you know where your vehicle
Like
is.
Uber style.
And yeah, just play about
And
that.
we haven't been let down. The drivers are very friendly. They all speak English. It's one of the requirements on this app for you to be dressed smartly and speaking at least 2 different languages. That's what our driver, what was his name? Hamza? No,
Hamza, for
not
example.
the first driver. Mustafa, who took us from Agadir to Agadir, and that's what he said. You know, so it's very good.
Yeah.
But guys, you have to remember, you know, we put on a video at the end. When you come out of the airport, for example, they won't be waiting in the actual taxi ranks because of the issues they're having.
Yes, basically it's Swedish app. This is so the Swedish developer made this app and they're using it in Morocco, and the government is disagreeing, and there's like a split.
It's a debate at the moment.
Yeah.
They're not banned and they're not approved either.
Yes. So you gotta be very careful.
So guys, what I want to say is when you book your taxi, say at the airport, you won't be able to, they won't come to you at the front of the doors. They'll be in the car park or switch on your tracking. They'll be somewhere around the corners or in the car park on the sides. Just walk to them and then they'll be waiting for you.
Yes. Basically, they're gonna come to just kind of look in the map where they are and just find them.
Okay, guys.
Or they'll call you and just make contact and find you, and that should complete your journey. And all the best.
And if any issues and if you want more information, the number will be on the screen here of how to contact this guy, and you could talk to him. He's a good guy.
Yeah, everyone, take care. Good luck.